Alright guys, so I'm gonna explain a video I made and I sent to my friend. So it's really good example the way we talk. It's kind of so informal and yeah, you don't find in the books or even you won't listen from the teacher. So you can see there are a lot of difference when we talk. And another thing you can also keep in mind, m- we don't follow the grammar structure all the time. So you would see the way I was talking this like a completely all over the place my grammar structure, but that's how we talk, right? So just listen. First time I'm gonna just play the video and just listen if you can get. After that I'm gonna explain, all
ਕਿਉਂ
right?
ਓਏ ਆਹ ਸੀ ਓਏ ਕਿੱਲਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬੂਟਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੂੰ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਹ ਦੇ ਐਡਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਇਹ ਤੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਲੱਗੀ ਸੀ ਯਾਰ 2 ਸਾਲ ਕਿੱਲੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਲੱਗੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀ ਚੱਕਰ ਆ ਡਾਣੀ ਜੀ ਟੁੱਟੀ ਪਈ ਆ ਤੇ ਆਹ ਦੇ ਲਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਪਾਣੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੱਲ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਹਟਿਆ ਪਾਣੀ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਦੱਸ ਨਾ ਫਿਰ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਕੀ ਪਾਏ ਕੇਲੇ ਕੁੱਲੇ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਲੱਗਣਗੇ ਕੇਰਾਂ ਲੱਗੇ ਸੀ ਉਦੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਲੱਗੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਯਾਰ ਆ ਦੱਸੀ ਚੰਗਾ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਦੇਖ ਲਾ ਥੱਲੋਂ ਸੁੱਕਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਵੀ ਪਿਆ ਗਾ ਇਹ ਦੇਖ ਵੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹਿਸਾਬ 'ਚ ਕਿ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਉਹ ਆ ਕੇ ਦੇਖ ਜੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਓਏ ਆਹ ਸੀ ਓਏ
So I said kyun. So basically we talk to this kind of way. Basically it means hey, what's up, like but in textbook type Punjabi, or we can say the formal Punjabi, kya means why, but here they don't mean why. Oi is kind of basically a rude if you're gonna somebody call somebody oi, but if you're really close friends, that's what we use. I don't use it with all friends
ਕਿੱਲਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬੂਟਾ
honestly.
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੂੰ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ
So I don't use it with all friends. I only use with those friends I'm really close, whatever. And it also depends on what kind of a relationship do you have, right? So yeah, I said kyun hui. So let's listen again.
ਕਿਉਂ ਓਏ ਆਹ ਸੀ ਓਏ ਕਿੱਲਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬੂਟਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੂੰ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ
I said "Ah si hui kilian da butta ja," right? It means look at that. This is the plant of banana, right? ਜਿਹਦੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ, like this is the plant of the banana we were talking about. All right, let's move forward.
ਆਹ ਦੇ ਐਡਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਇਹ
I said ਆ ਦੇਖ ਐਡਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਆ ਦੇਖ ਐਡਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ. It means look how big it has grown. All right, that's what it means.
ਤੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਲੱਗੇ ਸੀ ਯਾਰ 2 ਸਾਲ ਕਿੱਲੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਲੱਗੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ
I said ਤੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਲੱਗੇ ਸੀ ਯਾਰ ਕੇਲੇ 2 ਸਾਲ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ, ਉਦੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਲੱਗੇ ਨਹੀਂ, right? ਇਹਦੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਲੱਗੇ ਸੀ ਕੇਲੇ. It means before there was bananas on this tree. I think two years ago, but after that, I don't know how to say, like it never grown the bananas on this tree. Maybe I'm saying it wrong.
ਕੀ
Anyway,
ਚੱਕਰ ਆ ਯਾਰ 2 ਸਾਲ ਕਿੱਲੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਲੱਗੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀ ਚੱਕਰ ਆ
I said pata nahi ki chakkara. So now it means I don't know what the hell happened. All right.
ਡਾਣੀ ਜੀ ਟੁੱਟੀ ਪਈ ਆ
I said dani ji tutti paiya. Right. It means a branch of this plant is basically, you can say, broken. Not sure what you guys use. And you can also see even it seems like I have really good English, but yeah, there's also a lot of vocabulary. I don't know, but I just communicate the way I can. So yeah,
ਤੇ
I said Dani ji tutti paiya. Alright, Dani ji. Dani means branch, and ji is kind of the way we talk. It didn't mean I'm putting the respect on the branch or Dani or Dani ji. And yeah, that's the way we talk. And if you want more information about the G, the way we use, you can watch my another video when I explain the word G.
ਤੇ ਆਹ ਦੇ ਲਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਪਾਣੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੱਲ
I said ਲਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਪਾਣੀ. And you can also notice here, I'm not following grammar structure. I'm starting from the verb. All right. And the grammar structure says in Punjabi, first you are going to put the subject, then object, then the verb at the end. But I started from the verb. Laya si main. Kal pani. Something like that. Right? Laya si main. Kal pani.
ਲਾ ਕੇ ਹਟਿਆ ਪਾਣੀ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ
One second.
ਤੇ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਫਿਰ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਕੀ
One second. Let me play it again.
ਲਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਪਾਣੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ
I said, Laya si meta pani kal. Like, I gave the water to it yesterday. Right? Laya si. I put the verb first, Laya si. Then I say, main pani tan kal. Now, this is totally messed up sentence grammatically. Right? But it seems kind of really good sense because I was speaking it as fluently, and even we don't follow the grammar rules when we talk. The way whatever in it was in my mind, I was speaking, right? I was not thinking about anything. So you can see it was totally messed up sentence, and that's how we talk. Yeah, sometimes we put a sentence in a grammar structure, sometimes we don't. All right.
ਲਾ ਕੇ ਹਟਿਆ ਪਾਣੀ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ
I said, La ke hatiyan pani ja. La ke hatiyan pani ja. Now you would also notice I'm putting ja after pani. So we do that a lot. La ke hatiyan. Hatna means basically when you stopped, right? So main la ke hatiyan pani ja. It means, yeah, I give the water. That's what it means.
ਤੇ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਫਿਰ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਕੀ ਪਾਈ
I said, Dasana ede ki paiye. So basically, I was asking to my friend, just like tell me what I can put in that a plant. So because he know a lot of about like a plants, so I sent him video and I was asking him like what I can put in this plant so it restart growing bananas. All right.
ਕੇਲੇ ਕੁਲੇ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਲੱਗਣਗੇ ਕੀਰਾਂ
I said kele kule ke mein lagange. Kele kule, right? You can notice I said kele, then I made it again kule. Kule doesn't mean anything. Kele means banana, alright? I said kele kule ke mein lagange. Lagana means how it would grow the bananas again, alright?
ਲੱਗੀ ਸੀ ਉਦੋਂ ਲੱਗੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਯਾਰ ਆ ਦੱਸੀ ਚੰਗਾ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਦੇਖ ਲਾ
I said dassi changa. I said it means like okay, tell me. I said aa dekh la. Aa dekh la means look at this.
ਥੱਲੋਂ ਸੁੱਕਾ ਸੱਕਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਵੀ ਪਿਆ ਗਾ ਇਹ
I said thallon sukkya sakya je bhi pyaga. Sukya sakya. Sukya means dry. Basically, you can see it's kind of dry. It's not completely green from the lower part. That's what I'm asking him from. Like, thalon sukya. Thalya means from lower part or from down. Sukya. Sukya means dry. Again, I'm using like a sukya sakya. We do it a lot. Like a chachu pila, pani puni pila, stuff like that. Sukya sakya, kele kule. I already said.
ਦੇਖ ਵੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹਿਸਾਬ
So we use it a lot, all right? So let's listen it again.
ਥੱਲੋਂ ਸੁੱਕਾ ਸੱਕਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਵੀ ਪਿਆ ਗਾ ਇਹ ਦੇਖ ਵੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹਿਸਾਬ
I said ਦੇਖ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਚ ਦੇਖ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹਿਸਾਬ. It means like, can you guess like what's the problem? That's what it means. Sabs mean like, can you understand that?
ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਉਹ ਆ ਕੇ ਦੇਖ ਜੀ
I said pama aake dekh si. Aake dekh ji. Pama aake dekh ji. It means if you can't understand through the video, you can visit me and you can look at. All right, that's what it means. That's how we talk.